Manitoba is a very unique and interesting province located in the heart of Canada. The name Manitoba originates from the Ojibwa word Manitoba, which means Strait of the Spirit. Manitoba entered Confederation on July 15, 1870. It is known for its treeless prairies and fertile farmland. Manitoba has an area of 647,797 square kilometers. The province experiences an interesting climate and contains many useful natural resources. Manitoba consists of many beautiful and breathtaking land features as well. Manitoba has a variety of landform regions, each with their own unique features. It consists of rocky terrains, small mountains, dense forest regions, and rolling hills. The province is made up of three major lakes: Winnipeg, Winnipegosis, and Manitoba, and four major rivers: Red Assiniboine, Saskatchewan, Nelson, and Churchill. Manitoba contains three landform regions: Canadian Shield, Hudson Bay Lowlands, and Interior Plains. The Canadian Shield makes up about 2/3 of northern Manitoba and includes rock from ancient mountains, forests, low hills, lakes, streams, bogs, and marshes. The Hudson Bay Lowlands lie in the far north, approximately 160 kilometers from Hudson Bay. This region is a cold, treeless area of tundra. The Interior Plains makes up Manitoba's southern region and is mainly inland seas, rolling grasslands, and small quantities of trees. North of Winnipeg, there are sparkling lakes and dense forests. In conclusion, Manitoba is made up of many different landform regions that make the province unique. Manitoba has a wide range of natural resources that contribute to the success of the entire country, as well as many different types of rocks. Manitoba's fundamental resource is their waters. These waters can be used for recreational activities and contain fish such as sculpins, sticklebacks, darters, and minnows that allow for both sport and commercial fishing. Manitoba's rivers are well suited for the creation of hydroelectric power. The province's rivers produce so much hydroelectric power that Manitoba generates more electricity than it needs. This extra power is sold out to other provinces. Spruce, fir, and pine trees are turned into lumber, pulp, and paper products. Manitoba also has many useful minerals: 13.1% of Canada's nickel, 7.3% of Canada's copper, 12.9% of Canada's zinc, 5.4% of Canada's gold, 100% of Canada's cesium, and 5.2% of Canada's silver is mined in Manitoba. Flin Flon is Manitoba's oldest mining center and produces zinc, gold, silver, and copper. Petroleum is another primary resource, found in Manitoba's southwest region. The rock underlying Manitoba varies from sedimentary to Precambrian. Flat, sedimentary rock is found beneath the Hudson Bay Lowlands. The Canadian Shield consists principally of granite mesas in contact with volcanic rocks and ancient metamorphous sedimentary rocks. Overall, Manitoba's natural resources and rock types play a major role in what the province is today. Vegetation in Manitoba is diverse and ranges from open grassland and aspen in the south to mixed forest in the center, typical boreal forest in the north, and bush tundra by Hudson Bay. The southern prairie area is mostly tall grasses because high evaporation rates prevent trees from growing. In the north, the boreal forests are a mixture of coniferous and deciduous trees, such as white and black spruce, jack pine, and aspen. Near Hudson Bay, the land is barren and treeless, with a few grasses and wildflowers among the mosses and lichens, because cold summers and short growing periods discourage growth. In the areas of tundra, which have extreme climate, the ground is covered with lichens and mosses. Spruces, wildflowers, willows, and bearberry bushes occasionally appear on the landscape. Willows, aspens, elms, ashes, and poplars grow in the moist river valleys and along streams. Oaks grow in dry regions. In Manitoba's wetlands, you can find colorful chokeberry, cranberry, and Saskatoon bushes. In summary, Manitoba's vegetation is very extensive and beautiful. Manitoba experiences frequent daily temperature changes. It is among the sunniest provinces in Canada. During the winter, there are low temperatures and low humidity levels. In the springtime, Manitoba endures abrupt seasonal changes. In the winter, the air is cold, dry, and arctic, whereas in the summer, the air is mild and humid. Manitoba is located about 2,000 miles from the Pacific Ocean. Therefore, warm and moist ocean currents do not reach the province, resulting in a continental climate with long cold winters and short warm summers. The coldest temperature recorded in Manitoba was negative 49 degrees Celsius in Winnipeg in 1966. Temperatures are warmer and moister the farther south you travel, and the southeastern portion of the province receives the most precipitation. Almost two-thirds of Manitoba's precipitation falls as rain in the summer months, the remaining third appearing as snow in the winter. Snow in Manitoba isn't heavy, but due to extreme winter temperatures, it stays on the ground from November until April. Snow is usually heaviest in the east. To conclude, Manitoba's climate is very unpredictable and can be very surprising. Manitoba's national and provincial parks are places where the entire province can gather and enjoy the beauty of Manitoba. Riding Mountain National Park was designated a national park in 1933. It is 3,000 square kilometers in area and is located on the western side of the province. The landscape includes shallow lakes, meadows, mixed forests, and hills. There is live music available at the main beach and hiking available on Clear Lake Trail. Wapusk National Park was designated a national park in 1996. It is located west of Hudson Bay and consists of tundra, lakes, and rivers. Wapusk is the habitat of many animals, including polar bears, woodland caribou, Arctic fox, red fox, Canada geese, lesser snow geese, and swans. It was established with the consent of the affected First Nations, who are now active members of the park's board. The provincial parks contain beautiful lakes, rivers, and wild boreal forests. Some provincial parks include Spruce Woods, Grand Beach, Duck Mountain, Nopaming, and Atakati. There are many activities available at these parks, such as hiking, cross-country skiing, canoeing, and sightseeing. The national and provincial parks are wonderful places for Manitobans to sit and relax and for tourists to admire. Overall, Manitoba is a very rare and exceptional province. It has a continental climate and is a prairie province. Manitoba has a wide variety of vegetation growing throughout. Manitoba produces hydroelectric power, which is very important to our country. It is highly recommended that you take the time to visit this extraordinary province because without Manitoba, Canada would not be as diverse and beautiful as it is today.